What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So today we are going to be putting the Pontiac G5 back together. We went out to pull apart today and were able to source the headlights and the passenger side mirror, the front bumper, and then at LKQ yesterday we were able to get the door panel, the crash bar. I don't remember what else we got, but we do have enough to put the inner fender liner. So now we have enough to put the car back together and see what it's going to look like with a front end on it. And my fingers are crossed. We're going to be able to get this hood shut and the hood latch and everything lined up because we did not get to replace the core support. So let's get started and see how this turns out. All right, so we're here at the local pull-apart yard. Honey, that's long out. There you go.
Don't. Take it down.
There's one more bolt somewhere. Throw that in the bag. All right. There you go. And I believe the headlight will just pop out now. Should be able to just grab onto it and pull it out.
I'm gonna be taking stuff off my car.
There you go. There you go. All right, hold on. There you go. You got it. Hell yeah. One down, one to go.
I want to hear a good story this morning. It'll make you laugh. You know who Dennis Menace is, right? Yeah. This little boy's name's Charlie. He gets him a bright idea one day. He gets him a bucket and he puts just a little bit of water in it and he gets him a stick. He got near that chicken shit, man.
That was good. Thank you. And we may have found a side mirror, although this one does have a crack in it. It's better than one we got, so we're gonna keep looking, but we're gonna keep that as a possibility. This bumper has a little bit of damage, nothing too major. But unfortunately, we've had no luck finding a white bumper, so it's probably going to be this one. We're going to walk around and see if we can find one that's a little bit better. If not, we're just going to make do with that one. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull this one off. Women, right? It doesn't come off yet. You got to take the bolts down in here out. There are 3 of them, 10 millimeter. All right, we did it. We pulled the bumper off. We have the bumper right here. Like I said, it's not in the best of shape, but it's really not that bad. We'll do a little bending here, try to bend this back without damaging anything. The clips are still mostly good. We got passenger side mirror, and we got both front headlights. So I think that's pretty much it. We're about ready to put this car back together. All right, so that's going to conclude the video. There's still more work to do to this car. As you can see, the headlights need to be restored. I've got a kit for that. We're going to use a drill and sandpaper to really sand down these headlights. We're going to get those headlights clean. It's going to make it look a lot better. The hood latch, I didn't get the core support pulled as far out as it should have been from the factory. So what I've decided to do is the hood does close, but I need to shim the hood latch so that it will be, so that you can easily latch it and unlatch it without having to fight with it or anything. It works the way it is now, but it's kind of rigged up, so I'm going to do it. I know it's not the right way, but we're going to take washers and longer bolts, and we're going to just shim that hood latch out so that it does latch the hood the way it's supposed to. I'm going to find some, hopefully, factory GM hubcaps for this. The factory Pontiac maybe, or even Chevrolet, it doesn't really matter at this point since it's half Chevy, half Pontiac now. Get the hubcaps on it, clean those headlights. This thing's going to look a whole lot better. I found out today the air conditioning does work. The heater works. We still have the interior to clean up. So there is still work to be done to this car. But we have made huge progress today. Not only did we pull a front end for this thing, but we also put the front end back on it. It went together really, really well, and it looks great. So I'm really satisfied with the results on this so far. I also went down to the tag agency. I got done before they closed. We took this car down there, and we were able to get the title reconstructed. It has legal plates, insurance, and everything. So this car is legally able to be driven on the road. And that's a good thing. You know, this car has come a long way since we bought it with a smashed front end. And I think here in the next 2 or 3 days, we should be finished with it. It'll be complete, ready to flip. It's just a matter of waiting on the title to come in the mail, which probably won't be here till next Friday, but that's okay. We're gonna get this thing ready to go so that by next weekend, it's ready to sell. So that's gonna be it for the video. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this content, please give this video a big thumbs up. Doing so really does a lot to expand this channel. The bigger the channel gets, the more cars I can buy. I've got 5 right now. I'm going to be looking at getting another one on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, another one. Possibly an 06 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Really hoping to get that one. Tomorrow, I do plan on going and picking up that trailer that I was talking about. So, you know, we're on the right path to do some big things in the future on this channel. Thank you guys again. Like the video, comment, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.